Good morning, students. For today's lesson, we will be talking about football. The specific objective on this lesson, identify and define the rules and regulations of football. Let us proceed. The rules of soccer are fairly simple. First, you cannot touch the ball with your hand or arms intentionally unless you are the goalie. The whole ball must cross the goal line for it to constitute as a goal. Each team must include one referee and two assistant referees. Match timing. A match consists of two 45.5 minutes with 15 minutes rest period in between. If the game needs to head to extra time as the result of both teams being leveled in the match, then 30 minutes will be added in the form of two 15 minutes halved after allotted 90 minutes. If teams are still level for extra time, then a penalty shootout must take place to decide the winner. Kick-off. At the start of soccer period or after a goal, there is a kick-off from the center circle. At the kick-off, all of the soccer players must be on their side of the field. Only the player kicking off is allowed inside the center circle. After the kick-off, the ball will be in play until the ball goes out of the bound and referee calls penalty. Player substitution. Each team can name up to 7 substitutes. Substitution can be made at any time of the match, with each team being able to make a maximum of 3 substitutions per side in the event of the 3 substitutions being made in player having a leave for field for injury. The team will be forced to play without a replacement for that player. Offside rule. Offside rule can be called when the attacking player is in front of the last defender when the pass is played through to them. The offside area is designed to encourage players from simply hanging around the opponent's goal waiting for a pass. To be on the side, they must be replaced behind the last defender when the ball is played to them. If the player is in front of the last defender, then he is deemed to be off. Side and free kick that defining them to be called. A player cannot be caught offside in their own half. The goalkeeper does not count a defender. If the ball is played backward and the player is in front of the last defender, then he is deemed to be not offside. Throw in. When the soccer ball has gone out of bounds, the team that last touches the ball loses positions of the opposing team gets through in the ball from the points where the ball across out of the bound. When throwing the ball in the throwing, the ball must be thrown from behind and over the head using both hands. When the ball leaves on the throw hands, both of her feet must be touch the ground. Corner kick. When the defining team last touches the ball and it crosses the goal line and not scrolling the goal, opposing team gets to kick the ball from the corner of the field. Goal kick. When the opposing team has touches the ball before it crosses the goal line, goalie gets to kick the ball from the goal box. Penalty kick. What a foul occurs in the penalty area, the foul team is awarded a penalty kick. Free kick. Free kick is penalty kick may be awarded to opposing soccer team. Out of the bound. Out of the bound can occur when the ball completely across over the boundary line. Soccer foul. Soccer foul can be any number of unfair advantage taken by a player that are called by the referee. These include tripping, pushing, and touching the ball with the hand. Yellow card or red card. For fouls committed, a player could receive a yellow or red card depending on the severity of the foul. This comes down to referee discretion. The yellow card is warning, and the red card is dismissal for a player. 2 yellow cards is equal to red ones. A player is sent off, they cannot be replaced. This is all for this video. The mentioned rules and regulations are the most popular and known rules and regulations in soccer. Always remember, a successful team beats with one heart. Goodbye everyone.